Hello guys, I'm Cadet Ajay More. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I will tell you about the electrotechnical officer, that is a ETO course, because most of the people thinks that only a mechanical engineer can get into this field, but it is not the case. Engineer from other streams also can get into this field. So to explain you about this briefly, I will having a ETO cadet with me, who will be sharing you about what are the things and how you can enter into this field. So yeah, let's start the video then. So guys, this is Cadet Pranit Devlekar. Welcome to Pranit to my YouTube channel. First of all, introduce yourself to the viewers.
Okay, firstly, I would like to thank Cadet Ajay More for inviting me for this video and telling about myself. My name is Pranit Vijay Durvekar and I'm from ETO Batch 22 from Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies.
Pranit, tell me what are the engineering courses that are eligible for this course and what will be the selection criteria for them? I mean percentage criteria for them.
Okay, so for getting into as an electrical technical officer, you need to have a degree from electrical engineering or electronics engineering or electronics and telecommunication engineering or electrical and electronics engineering, as well as from if you have a degree from instrumentation engineering,
Yeah.
even that will be good.
Electronics and instrumentation engineering is
Yes,
also
yes.
eligible for this course.
Okay, yeah.
So after that, what is the percentage criteria for them?
Okay, so for getting into this field, you need to have for in 10 plus 2 you need to have an aggregate score of 60%, and in English also you have to have 60%, and in degree you need to have 60% overall throughout your semesters.
Now, Pranit, tell me what is the selection process to enter into this field as a ATO officer? So, what is the selection process?
Okay, so getting into as an electrical technical officer, the selection process is almost same for every institute. Firstly, you have to give an entrance exam. After cracking that entrance exam, you have an interview process and after interview process, when you crack that interview process, you have to go into for a medical test where your physical abilities, your eye test, everything has been checked. If you pass that medical fitness as well, then you have to do the documentation where the passport is mandatory prior to joining to the institute.
Okay, so passport should be you should have your passport before applying to this to the course.
Yes, yes. For getting into merchant navy, you need to have passport mandatory. That is a mandatory thing.
And after completing this course, what will be your ranking on board ship? I mean, the promotions, how will be that?
Okay. So the hierarchy for electrical technical officer is like first you join as a trainee electrical officer. After doing the trainee electrical officer, you go as an assistant electrical officer, and after assistant electrical officer, you get into as electrical technical officer.
Okay. Now, Pranit, tell me what is the scenario for girls in this field and how safe is this field is for girls? And because most of the girls think that it is not safe and they want to join but they don't know how to join and what to do. So you please elaborate what is the exact scenario for the girls in this field.
So, firstly, this is a very safe field for every gender, you can say, for male as well as for girls. So, for girls, it is very much safe because in merchant navy you have a lot of rules and regulations. You have to follow a lot of rules and regulations. So, it is a very safer. I can say that it is a very safer field for girls. And nowadays, girls have been much more motivated to get into this field.
Okay. At last, Pranit, you want to give any advice to those who want to join this ETO field in the merchant navy? You want to give any advice to them?
Okay, so my advice to get into this field is like you have a lot of scope in merchant navy. You have a lot of money in getting it after you get into merchant navy. Firstly, as you see that you have a struggle in every course, in whichever work you do, you have a struggle in every field. So even in merchant navy, you have in the beginning of the merchant navy, you have a struggle, but after that, it's a very easy life, and you earn a lot of money. And the only con I would like to say is like, you have to stay away from your family. That's the only thing. But
Yeah, in every field there is some pros and cons.
Yes,
because in the if you work in industry now, then you will not get a holiday of 6 months and like that.
yeah,
So there are pros and cons in every field. But in this field, you will get some good salary, and I can say that after some year you will be having a economical stable life. So this is the benefit of this joining this field.
definitely.
Um, so yeah, this was our video on the ETO. So if you have any doubts, then you can contact me on Instagram, and at the same time you can follow me also. I will be putting my Instagram ID in the description, and I will be putting his ID also in the description. You can contact him also if you want to ask anything about ETO. So yeah, and thank you Pranit for his precious time, because from the next week he is having his exam, but then also he's here to help you guys. So thank you.
And I would really like to tell that please like, please share, please subscribe to this channel and spread it as much as you can. And thank you for watching this video.
Thank you guys.